Audio engineer and a good producer can take any sound, no matter what it is, and turn it into a beat. Right?
Oh,
y'all have heard that sound probably? Right. And then I took that sound and I was like, what's the BPM of it? And what's BPM? Beats per minute. That's how fast. And if you listen to that sound, it kind of sounds like there's a little bit of a rhythm to it. So I found out the BPM, right? There's our rhythm. Right? And then I was like, nobody wants to hear that in a song over and over. That's pretty annoying. So we gotta chop it up. We gotta make it some sort of different. Put a little spice, a little pepper in the gumbo, you know what I'm saying? Turn the click off. Then we added some synth, right? We gotta add in a roll part. Right, somebody's about to rap on this thing. They better go off, right? And then you just, I put in some drums and some bass, and then here's the before and after. The annoying part.